Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can link your YouTube channel to your TikTok account. We all know that linking your YouTube channel to your TikTok account will invariably or directly increase your traffic on your YouTube channel. We all know that TikTok right now is one of the fastest growing social media platform in the world, where content creators go and create contents and they get massive views. By so doing, all of your followers on TikTok will be able to subscribe to your YouTube channel, and also the views and your engagement on your YouTube videos will increase greatly. So guys, with all of this in stock for you, make sure you watch to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that would tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you launch into your TikTok app, tap on it to open it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. So guys, this is what our TikTok interface looks like. So the first step you have to take is to tap on your TikTok profile, which is at the bottom right corner. You tap on it. You can see here is our TikTok profile. So guys, if you haven't linked your YouTube channel to your TikTok account, this is how your TikTok profile will be looking. But when you add your YouTube channel to this TikTok account, you will now see the YouTube link or the YouTube logo next to the ad where you have add friends. So guys, let's go ahead with what we are doing today. What you have to do is to tap on edit profile. Tap on the edit profile. So guys, you can see here under socials, you can see where you can add your Instagram as well as your YouTube channel. We're going for the second option, which is add your YouTube channel. So let's tap on it. So guys, you can see they say choose an account to continue to TikTok. You can see here at the Google account, the Gmail account I have. So what you have to do is to choose the Gmail account or the Google account that your YouTube channel is linked to. So let me choose the Gmail account that my TikTok account is linked to, or let me just choose any other one here. You can see guys, it's loading up. It's loading up. It's asking us to wait for some moment. Wow, you can see it's now reflecting. My YouTube channel is now reflecting over here. You can see it, Faith Refinery. So guys, let's go over to our TikTok profile to see if it's reflecting there as well. Let's go back. You can see now the YouTube logo is now visible on my TikTok profile. You can see it there. So if you tap on that YouTube logo, that YouTube icon, it will direct you to my YouTube channel. So let me tap on it. This is one of my YouTube channel. Let me tap on it. You can see it's directing us to the YouTube channel directly. Wow. You can see this is the YouTube channel. You can see this is the home page. Let's scroll upwards. You can see these are the shorts under the YouTube channel. Let's go over to the description, to the about page. You can see this is the about page. So if anyone wants to watch my video, the person can tap on it and watch the videos. So guys, you can see how simple it is. Let me go back to the TikTok app. You can see. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you on our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.